So welcome back to 24th video, day 24, mod Excel daily dose basic function. Myself Dayanand with our Learn and Earn YouTube channel. What is this function? Is a mathematical function, something to do with the numbers again, mathematics. So mod, all of us know from our primary school basics mathematics, mod is nothing but the reminder after a number being divided by a divisor, right? So say the number is 10 and it is being divided by 8. 8 ones are 8 and the remainder is 2. All right. So this simple calculation can be done with the help of this mod function, mod. So you can use cell reference or you can directly supply the numbers as arguments. Requires two arguments. Number one is the number itself. Number two is the divisor with which you are dividing the number with. All right. So if I'm using supplying them as a part of the function, say the same thing can be achieved like this. The answer is 2. If I am dividing with a complete divisor, say 2 can divide the 10 completely having 0 reminders. So the mod will tell us 0. Right, so pure simple mathematics function. So in our basic function series in this playlist, we have tried and we are covering almost every single formula that one must know as a beginner, as a basic entry level. So these 30 formulas would be sufficient for you to deal with any mathematical, any text related, any basic functions of Excel. Right, so keep learning, keep practicing daily. So happy learning. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.